we are going to be user interface. Just navigation menu is the off and navigation bar is the on. And in this list, we have to be selected the navigation menu is here. List and desktop navigation menu. So and here is the topmost. So you are getting this type of menu without any disable display none uh, navigation bar. In this condition, because we are using the navigation bar, we are off the navigation menu and using the navigation bar. So because we are getting whenever I created the menu pages, it is automatically inserting in this menu, correct? But right now we are using the navigation bar. If using that, so we are inserting a menu manually in this page, or if you change, if you change the navigation bar with the navigation menu, so we are only showing in only navigation menu, or it is add automatically all the page. Correct. So this is the first thing. If we have to be using the header in the front page, and the navigation menu is the with the replace the navigation bar. So this kind of we not need to display none, right? If I inspect this, then granted. Correct. So we are avoiding this CSS to display none if we are setting like this type of in the Oracle Apex definition, application definition. So now we are going to be second parts. Second part is the this one. So what is the this one? This is the section of the power section is the static ID. So in the power sections, I use the standard type because if I using the blank attributes, then I did not get the any padding and margin. So I have to be applied as per my requirement. So I am using the here is the standard type because I need the see if you check this one, so see you can easily see the bootstraps columns is here. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th. Right? And first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. This is the, see, this is the standard. So you are getting the width of this portion. But this is not the standard. So we are getting the less width. Correct? Easily we can see. So So this is the second tips. If you are design the going to be create the sections and you have a lot of content, so you can easily manage which sections contain follow in the which template, correct? Standard or blanket tables. So these two second as per your requirement whenever you get in the start the design. Even if you are getting the some components is going to be outer with the red border line, so the design is the fail and your page should be not the responsive. Like these tips,